Okay, what is good, guys? Welcome. Just got another backtesting session today for you on the 10 a.m. Power of 3. And these are the current stats. Pretty good stats, if I do say so myself. And we can get straight into it. Skip Monday, as per usual. Don't usually trade the 10 a.m. Power of 3 on Monday. So, yeah, we can get immediately into it. So, this looks pretty clear in terms of bias, literally just starting on this daily in the 4 hour. As you can see, we tapped into this daily fair value gap, and then we had a 4 hour inversion, which is just textbook stuff, really. Or if we're looking for a long, and obviously we are, hourly inversion 2. So I'm going to mark that there. And yeah, we can just go ahead and get straight into it. Because I sort of have switched, I wouldn't say switched my strategy, but I've incorporated some more things into it in terms of entry triggers. You'll see how I do it in a second, but yeah, we have this 5 minute gap here. Whoops, if this, okay. We have this 5 minute gap here, and then we have this 4 hour inversion, and then this hourly inversion. So my guess is we're going to come down, tap into this 5 minute retest, this hourly inversion, maybe come down to here. But yeah, we've got our pre-10 a.m. accumulation, which is perfect. We tapped into that 5 minute gap. So we could even just take a position here, but I'm going to wait. I haven't checked what AS is doing. AS is a bit lagged. It's a bit far behind, as per usual. Okay, so any gaps been formed? We have this 15 inside of the 4 hour inversion. That would be beautiful if we can go and tap that. Now we're respecting 1 minute bearish gaps. And I wouldn't really call this an inversion because we didn't actually inverse it. And we inverted it. We just inversed it then. It's not going to really change my outlook slash bias. I'm still looking for a long, but I'm going to be more cautious now. And I needed to see this 5 minute gap get inversed. Because it's such a clear day for buyers, I'll be surprised if we don't just immediately go and draw to these highs up here. And do we get the 5 minute inversion? There we go. And we can enter. Let's just put stops. I'm going to put the limit order at the CE. And then, yeah, that's probably safe for a stop. Maybe we'll just put it a bit above the CE because this looks like it might want to run. And then we'll just do 0.5. This is a good setup. I don't know if it trades Ella, bro. Like, we're meant to get filled there. This is a class act. This is honestly just so. This thing doesn't work, bro. Limit orders on TradeZilla stop working. So I should have entered there, but I'm gonna just take an entry here because TradeZilla stinks. And obviously, I'm only doing this because our first draw didn't get hit. And then this is our main draw up here. And we don't have any SMT. We never swept it. AS made equal highs. Look at this. AS has 3 equal highs in a row. And this 5 minute. This is obviously just a pullback into a 5 minute. And we've managed to get a better entry here as well. So don't get worried if you do see this. because obviously, yeah, I'd be surprised if we get stopped out. I might look at adding to my position if we inverse this gap, as it is the first presented gap. But I do like to scale in sometimes when we inverse the first presented. Let's see if we can. The limit order is not going to work, I bet you. Let's just do a limit. Okay, stops there. Well, we can probably go break even now, but how many cons do we have here? Is that 90 cons? No, it's not. It's 8. I'm retarded. So just add. Not there, bro. Yeah, the inversion. Okay. Tradezilla is so bad. This video is just gonna be me crashing out Tradezilla, I bet you. I'm marketing ordering this because we just got to change inside of delivery as well. So there's literally no chance we don't deliver. So this is looking very good. We can go. I'm gonna move stops like just below here now. And then we can go break even once we break this high. Break even there. And then we'll just go there. Bang. I love Tradezilla so much, man. I love it. Doesn't even just respond at all to anything on the charts. You can only press buy, and that's about it. That's literally all it does. Can't believe I paid $75 a month for this. Okay, so again, this does look like we might be a bit bullish today, especially delivering out of this hourly gap. See on the daily. Yeah, again, clear day for buys. For our very bullish, respecting. Oh, we have SMT. Nice. Nice, bro. Yeah, we have SMT at the high, so we got to be careful of that. But look, we have more equal highs up here on ES, so I wouldn't be surprised if we just come and just take all of that. Yeah, nothing really else to say for daily bias. Clearly, we are bullish. I mean, you could even take that. Let's see if we get an inversion. First presented inversion, and then array test. Tapped into this 5-minute again. Hopefully AS doesn't inverse as 5. And it doesn't. Beautiful. Oops. So we're respecting. Oh, no, we're not. Okay, so that first presented, you always need to be a bit careful of. But when we inverse it, okay, we should be fine to take a position now. I'll let sub spread a little bit because of the SMT. And I think we're all-time highs, so the way I'm gonna do this is the wrong way, buddy. It's just like this. And we can just run up to it. Not the best risk to reward, to be honest. But it's fine. Let's limit order this. Say if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna crash it out. So and this is a good position now as well. This volume imbalance and fair value gap respected as well as this inversion. So we're gonna just immediately draw, I bet you. Break even time. Oh, I love it. This is just like just stupid as. I don't know why they have a platform that they charge money for and it acts like this. Like I might as well just do it on TradingView, bro. way better. Tradzella never used to be like this, and then they updated it, and now it's just horrible. Daily looks bullish. Again, it's hard to not be bullish when you're at all-time highs. So yeah, nothing to really watch out for. No PD raise for us really. And I'm an idiot. I need to go the next day. Lock in, bro. I'm too busy crashing out over how shit Tradzella is that I don't even trade. Okay, we have bullish SMT and no bearish SMT, it looks like. But yeah, we have bullish SMT into the into the daily. And AS met equal highs at the 4-hour gap and NQ tapped into it. But this huge rejection candle is beautiful. That is exactly what we want to see. Very nice open there. And we have a 5-minute inversion. This is probably going to be a 1-minute buy model. Yeah, I thought so. So we can wait now. AS isn't behaving as per usual. This could be a bit dangerous with AS lagging a little bit. But I'll wait for extra confirmations. Okay, so getting our 10 AM Po3 or accumulation leg. Let's mark this fair value gap out. Okay, so we tap into it. Respect that consequent encroachment very well. And let's wait for this to be inversed. I'm just going to pre-mark it out. Okay, we get that inversion. And probably safe to leave. We could be cheeky and leave stops like here, below this. But just for this, I'm just going to leave it over here. Because we can go break even very early. And then we can draw to here. So I'm not going to do apologies for that, boys. My dog is blowing up. So just bear with me for a second. I'll play this out. I won't be speaking quickly. Let's see if this hits deep. I can't even close my position. Is this just, oh my gosh, bro. I can't even close my position. I don't even know what I meant to do here. Like, genuinely, I don't know what I meant to do here. This platform's so bad. Let's just try this again, I guess. Cancel. What order do you mean cancel, bro? And now it wants to work. Beautiful, bro. Well, we're meant to go break even there. Now we can take profit. I wouldn't really want to let this run, seeing as we did just tap into this 4-hour. And we did tap into the consequent encroachment. So let's just go to the next day. And I apologize for, there's probably a bit of noise going to be in the video, but my dog is very annoying. Just barks absolutely nothing. On the daily, huge new new day opening gap. Let's just call it like this. And then new day. So we're probably going to draw into that. We have this 4-hour imbalance. Oh, oops. We have this 4-hour fair value gap that we are also going to draw into. So easy targets for us today. Let's see where AS is. We have bearish S&T at the highs. So it looks like we're going to be taking a short today. We don't really have anything to like. It looks like we're about to hit it anyway. Before we can get an actual power of 3 move. We have this tiny 3-minute. Maybe if we can come up all the way up into this 3-minute order block, then I'll have a little stab. And we don't, we just come into the fair value gap. Nice. And then we go immediately and just seek that. Okay, so it would be very funny if we could bottom tick this and have a 10-point stop. Or let's just have a 5-point stop. This limit order won't work, I bet you. This is semi-braised because we have that right there. This limit order probably won't even hit, to be honest. But like we're not. This could be a nice continuation model actually. I'm gonna stop messing around and take this continuation. Continuation down to the consequential encroachment of the gap. But that's a 0.6 risk to reward. Yeah, the risk to reward just doesn't make sense. It'll probably hit. What did I say? Now we rejected it very well if that's CE. Let's see if this were to actually hit. 5-point stop. Would have been able to bottom tick that. And we can just go like right there. 5-point stop. We can leave it at CE. This market order is not, sorry, this limit order will not work, I bet you. Oh, we didn't even get tapped in anyway. Damn, son. Yeah, well, how good's TradeZella, guys? Nothing to really say there, but like if you did want a cheeky bottom tick, you would have been able to catch like a 5R. But TradeZella just sucks balls, bro. So yeah, no trade on the Friday, unfortunately. But yeah, we can just finish the backtesting off there. Actually, a surprisingly good backtesting session, seeing as we had to market order into everything. Managed to get good return. Yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next video and enjoy your